Hi everyone, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from Engineers India Limited for engineering graduates. The very good news is that final year students who have GATE 2025 score also can apply for this Engineers India Limited recruitment of management trainees. To see this recruitment notification, you have to go for recruitment.eil.co.in. So this is the URL which you have to go, and here you can observe management trainee advertisement hrd/rectt dot slash advt dot slash 2024-2025/06. So this is the recruitment notification number, dear students. So for all the future correspondence, you need to remember this particular number. So here you can observe advertisement details, frequently asked questions, and click here to apply. So if you click here, you can apply for this recruitment of management trainees, and the last date of application is 7th April 2025. Okay, so try to remember the last date to apply is 7th April 2025, dear students. Now let us see the application form first. So to see the application form, you can see online application. So once you click to apply, so this page will open, dear students. So there you have to go for select post to apply. So when you go for select post to apply, two different posts are there: MT construction, MT others. Only for one part you can apply, dear students. Either you can apply for MT construction or MT others. Okay, so now let us see for MT construction the new registration details. So here the post applied is MT construction. By default it is coming here. Email ID, name as mentioned in your class 10 mark sheet or certificate. Then category you have to select from the drop down menu that is available here. Then gender, so you can see the gender, date of birth, GATE 2025 registration number. As I said earlier, the students who have GATE 2025 score, they only can apply for this one. So you need to enter GATE 2025 registration number, Aadhaar number, and then if there is any disability you have to apply here, and percentage disability should be given here. Then name of the relevant qualifying exam passed or appearing. So month and year of passing, appearing, institute or university, percentage, course duration in years. So all these details you have to fill. So you can select BE, BTech or BSc engineering. So then the month and year of passing will come here, dear students, and the institute you can write it here, that is a mandatory field. Then for MT construction, only 3 department students are eligible: civil, electrical and mechanical. So you need to select that. Then once you select month and year of passing, it will be coming. So you need to enter this one. So 2025 or 2024, all these things it is given here. So you can go and check month and year of passing. So 2024 or 2025 students can apply for this. So try to go through this, dear students. Please round off percentage of the marks to lower whole number. Example, for 65.9, write 65. That is what he is mentioning for percentage, dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. So if there is CGPA, so the corresponding things were notified properly in the advertisement. I'll show you that. So please round off the percentage. That is what he has asked. Have you passed, expected to pass the qualifying course in the minimum period required? So yes or no. So have you cleared all papers till last result declared? So this is for the final year students. So who can apply for this particular post? You can put the required things here. Requisite qualification is a full-time course from Indian university or institute recognized by AICTE, UGC appropriate statutory authority. Yes, you have to put here, dear students. Okay, so try to remember this. So category certificate details, PWD certificate details, and here submit button is there, then back option is there. So don't use this back button, dear students. So if you want to go back to the application form, so you can have to click here, dear students. Okay, now let us see the detailed advertisement. So here, so Engineers India Limited is a Navaratna public sector company, that is what is given here. Then its main intention is to be a global leader offering total energy solutions for a sustainable future. That is what is its goal. And here job profile, two profiles are there: management trainee construction, management trainee others. Okay, so management trainee construction here. So you can see young energetic engineers who are looking forward to have a career in construction. The construction division of EIL offers experience in the varied services for construction management in totality, including contract administration, quality surveillance, HSE and warehouse management for various domestic as well as international projects. So job designation is management trainee here. So place of posting. So place of posting here is project sites in India and abroad. Period of training is 1 year. So during the training period, 60,000 per month plus accommodation and transport, or 60,000 per month plus rupees 15,000 in case accommodation and transport are not provided. Then pay scale on absorption as engineer. See, once training is completed, so once you are absorbed into Engineers India Limited, then the pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000, and approximate CTC on absorption will be around 20.31 lakhs per annum, dear students. So including superannuation benefit and performance related pay. Okay, so this is what he has given. In addition, location based benefits and other allowances as applicable to the project sites shall be paid. Transportation facility and transit accommodation shall be provided depending on the site location. That is what he has given here, dear students. Then job profile management trainee others. So young energetic engineers who are looking forward to have career in other than construction, EIL offers career in core engineering in the varied services for design engineering, costing, procurement, inspection, HSE, etc. for various domestic as well as international projects. So here job designation is management trainee. Then place of posting will be EIL's head office at Delhi, Gurugram office, branch office, inspection office, regional offices, project sites in India and abroad. So period of training, again this is for 1 year. Emoluments for the stipend 60,000 per month plus accommodation and transport, or 60,000 per month plus rupees 15,000 in case accommodation and transport are not provided. Then pay scale on absorption as engineer 60,000 to 1,80,000. CTC will be approximately around 19.25 lakhs per annum, including superannuation benefit and performance related pay. So that is what he has mentioned, dear students. The selected candidate shall undergo training of 1 year at any of its offices, head office, New Delhi, Gurugram office, regional offices at Chennai, Vadodara, Kolkata, branch offices at Mumbai, inspection offices or project sites, etc. in India. Thereafter, posting can be at any of these offices and project sites in India and abroad as mentioned above in the respective job profiles. Okay. Then, candidate can apply for one post only. Already I told you, dear students, only for one post you can apply. Either you can apply for others or you can apply for construction. Okay. So that is either MT construction or MT others, dear students. That is what he has mentioned here clearly. Then let us go for the next page where we can see the details of the positions and minimum mandatory requirements. So management trainee construction, management trainee construction and management trainee others, full-time engineering degree course, BE, BTech, BSc engineering in minimum qualifying period with minimum 65% marks. So percentage of marks is 65. So here the disciplines chemical, mechanical, civil and electrical engineers can apply. MT construction is not there for chemical engineers. For mechanical engineers 5 positions are there, civil 6 positions are there and electrical 1 position is there. For management trainee others, chemical 12 positions are there, mechanical 9 positions, then civil 12 positions and electrical 7 positions are there. Minimum age on as on So 1st July 2025 in years, general 25 years, OBC non-creamy layer 28 years, SC/ST 30 years, PWD general 35 years, PWD OBC NCL 38 years. Like this, he has given minimum age qualification, dear students. Kindly go through that. All qualifications should be from Indian university or institute recognized by AICTE, UGC, appropriate statutory authority. So candidates are required to specify the percentage marks in the qualifying degree. Wherever CGPA, OGPA, CPA or grade or letter grade in a qualifying degree is awarded by the university or institute, equivalent percentage of marks should be indicated as per the norms adopted by university or institute. Candidate will be required to submit documentary proof or certificate to this effect from the institute, university at the time of interview. That is what he is asking. In case the candidate is not able to produce the documentary proof, certificate to this effect from the institute or university in support of the percentage marks furnished at the time of interview, the percentage will be calculated as per the table given below. So 65% on 10-point scale, it will be approximately equal to 7. So on 9-point scale, 6. Like that he has given, dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. Okay. Then candidates who have final year semester exams between April to June 2025 and are yet to receive the result of qualifying degree should specify the percentage marks up to last result declared. So final year or semester examinations between April to June 2025, whoever the standard students have this particular thing, so they have to specify the percentage up to the last result declared. However, such candidate should have scored required minimum qualifying percentage marks till the last result declared. Final selection of such candidates in EIL is subject to securing 65% or above marks as advertised. So students passing out in the year 2024 and 2025 shall be eligible to apply. Candidates passed out in the year 2023 or before are not eligible. Okay, the number of vacancies are tentative. Reservation of posts for SC/ST, OBC, NCL, EWS, PWD candidates with degree of disability 40% or above will be as per Government of India policy and guidelines. So that is what he has given, dear students. Kindly go through that. 24 and 2025 passed out students, 2024 and 2025 passed out students can apply. 2023 and before year students are not eligible. Okay. Then selection procedure. So coming to the selection procedure, there will be a group discussion and interview. The shortlisted candidates will have to further appear for group discussion and interview. That is what he has given. So graduate engineers or final year students of engineering from relevant disciplines as mentioned in the advertisement who have appeared in GATE 2025 examination and cleared the examination, keen on taking up challenging career in Engineers India Limited may apply. So that is what he has asked. So candidates will be considered based on GATE 2025 score in the following disciplines. So here you can see chemical engineering paper, code is CH, mechanical engineering paper, ME is the code, civil engineering paper, so CE is the code, electrical engineering GATE 2025 paper, WE is the code, dear students. Okay, so try to see this one carefully, dear students. Candidates shortlisted will be required to appear for group discussion and interview at Delhi. So at Delhi, they have to attend for group discussion and interview. The prescribed qualification is the minimum requirement and mere possession of the same does not entitle the candidate to be called for the selection process based on the GATE score. Only shortlisted candidates will be informed for interview through email on their registered email IDs. All such candidates eligible for interview will be paid to and fro limited to 3rd AC sleeper rail fare by the shortest route from the mailing address as mentioned in the application to the interview center. So this is what he has given, dear students. So kindly go through this information. Okay. Note, all the candidates are requested to remain updated at each step of the selection process by visiting our website. So he is saying, so kindly go through this website, and all queries pertaining to recruitment including selection process may be addressed to EIL recruitment team at rectt@eil.co.in with subject 2024-2025/06. Candidates are also requested to visit frequently asked questions section on EIL website with respect to this recruitment drive. Now, steps for applying. So already I have shown you so how to apply. Now the major thing what you need to remember is that, so candidate must mention his/her correct GATE 2025 registration number as appearing in GATE 2025 admit card 2025. Candidate has to ensure filling up of correct information. In case of filling up of wrong or invalid information, the application will be summarily rejected. So before filling final registration, candidates should keep the following ready: scanned copy of their passport size photograph in JPG or JPEG format of maximum 75 KB size. Then scanned copy of signature maximum 25 KB size, and scanned copy of caste certificates and disability certificate, scanned copy of EWS certificates in JPG or JPEG format, and here the size is 500 KB for both these things, dear students. Okay. Then scanned copy of percentage conversion certificate issued by the competent authority from institute, university in JPG or JPEG format, maximum 500 KB size. Right. So fill the details online for final submission. Ensure successful submission of online form for completion of registration process. On successful completion of registration process, an auto-generated mail shall be sent on the registered mail ID. Excuse me. So this is what he has given, dear students. No fee is required to be paid for applying in EIL. Only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. The application process is online application only, and it has started from 20th March 2025 and it will be available till April 7th 2025 till midnight, dear students. Okay, so please ensure that you have valid email address and valid mobile number which you have entered in this particular application form, and try to remember the last date to apply is 7th April 2025. Okay, thank you, all the very best, dear students.